Today we were selling this. And guys, we hit our first target. After that, the price came back up again. So we were successful with that. So let's hide this and let's get rid of these drawings. So guys, the question is, what are we going to do today? It doesn't matter what we said and happened yesterday. The question is always, what are we going to do next? So guys, for today, guys, in my opinion, guys, we should, in my opinion, guys, as long as the price stays below 1.133878, guys, we are still kind of bearish. I would move it to an immediate resistance at 1.33733. Okay, guys, and my target, as you guys know, it's Friday. I will have a small target and only one target. Hence, my target will be 33046. And I would start buying if only the price breaks above 1.34002. And if it does, guys, my target would be 1.34495. So I could have bigger targets, but it's Friday. I like to keep my targets small. I want to get out early. I don't want to get trapped in something. So now let's check out the AI analysis. Where has it? It's okay. It's still working on it. So the analysis is out. It's bearish. Of course, let's copy this bearish trend continuation. Plan is to sell from rejection from the 1H consolidation high. Friday, the price is consolidating a typical pattern of positioning ahead of high impact NFP release, which is expected to drive today's main move. MTF, the 4H chart, established wrong directional bias. One is used to blah 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 blah. Let's just copy these targets and move back to the chart and see if these levels match with our targets or not. Okay, guys, as long as we are below 1.3373, okay, it agrees with me. We are bearish. The target one is 1.3353. Okay, almost same as mine's. Mine, okay. The target two is 1.330. I can agree with that. It's Friday, so it's also keeping the target small. It's kind of just the zone. Okay, the counter bias target is 1.3403, which is also my buffer area, which I can agree with because it was trained to do so. So this would be the first target if you break above this. So okay, guys, take care. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow. Let me just enter this here. Okay, entry zone is 1.33. I guess same as yesterday. It's almost same as yesterday. Let's just move this to 7.4, and the profit is 1.330, same as yesterday. The profit 2 is a bit I don't have a second target, so I'll make it the same as the first target. Okay, guys. So take care, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.